Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we have learned about the calendar in Apex. Today we shall learn how we can enable end user to select a theme for its application. Go to the application and click the share component, and under the navigation menu, create a new entry and name it as theme style. And under the target, select the target type URL and provide this script into the URL target. I shall provide the link of the description. You can see that a new entry has been created here. Let's navigate to the share component and under the user interface attributes, under the attributes, enable end user to choose the theme style. Click apply. Now run your application. You can see that the theme style option is available for the end user. So end user can click any of the theme and click apply changes. So the theme of the application update after the selecting of theme style. So you can see that a user can choose and apply any of the theme. So I hope you have learned something useful at Developers Diary. See you in the next tutorial.